Good evening, guys. My voice is audible, guys. Please let me know. Yes, okay.
Yeah, but how niche
Okay, we'll wait for 5 more minutes and let's start with our session after 5 minutes. We'll start at 8:05, okay? Just wait for the 5 minutes and we'll start it. 5 minutes, guys. We'll start our session, okay? Wait for 5 minutes and everyone keep one book with you, guys. Please take one book and paper and keep with you, because we need to, for the stock selection, there is 2 types. For that, the book is required. Please take a book and keep with you, guys, please. Everyone get the book and paper with you, guys. Everyone get the book and paper, please. Everyone get the book and paper. For the stock selection method it required, please. Okay. And we'll start. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and 8:05 we'll start the meeting. And we'll start meeting 8:05. Okay, let's see. I'm putting the last message in the group. I think everyone has been watched the previous videos. That makes you to understand the basics. I've been messaged the same thing in the group also. Without editing, I have been uploaded what I have been want to say the people, just meetings. Still last 2 more minutes. We'll wait for 2 more minutes. New joiners, get the book and paper with you. Get the book and paper, please. Everyone get the book and paper. Everyone, please get the book and paper. Book and paper is very important for the stock selection. The two dynamic method and static method. There is a two types of stock selection methods. So for static method, book is compulsory required. Go and get the books. Reply in chat, guys. Everyone is get the book or not. So I got to know everyone has received get the book or not. सब लोग जाकर एक बुक एंड पेन लेकर आकर बैठो, उसके लिए डायनामिक स्टैटिक सिलेक्शन के लिए वो चाहिए, इसलिए yes Kalyan have raised a hand. In last we have a doubt session. In doubt session we can clear your doubts. Who want to speak with me? We had a doubt session. Okay, no worries. Okay guys, it's already 8:05. Let's start with our session. First of all, we go with there is a two types of stock selection. One is dynamic, another one is static. So we'll start with the static method first. Static method means when the stocks we need to select it from yesterday, today, for tomorrow we need to trade, right? We select the stocks from today and we trade on same stocks. Yes, Parth will tell in Hindi also. So it will be helpful to you guys. Both Hindi and English I can speak, but I am not so good at Hindi. It's fine. Even though I'll try my level best to speak in Hindi. If anything I speak wrong, please forgive me. Okay. Just I'll try my best to speak in Hindi. Okay. Yeah. So there is stock selection में दो method है. First method static method and second method is dynamic method. फर्स्ट मेथड में स्टैटिक, आज स्टॉक सेलेक्ट कर कल मार्केट में वही स्टॉक्स के ट्रेड करने के लिए वो बोलता है स्टैटिक मेथड. कल मार्केट खुलने के साथ हम स्टॉक सेलेक्ट करता है ना, वो स्टॉक्स के लिए कल मार्केट में स्टॉक सेलेक्ट होता है ना, वो में डायनेमिक बोलता है. वो स्टॉक्स और ऐसा बोलेगा. व्हाट वी सेड for dynamic, in market hours we select the stocks and yeah I can try both English and Hindi, so it will be comfortable for everyone. First English version, after that Hindi version, in last we'll speak in Hindi version, then everything will be fine. Okay, so there is a two types of stock selection. First one is static and dynamic. Static, we select the stocks today and trade on tomorrow morning. Dynamic, we select the stocks tomorrow morning in the market hours itself. We call it as dynamic stock selection method. For that, how we need to select the stocks in the static method? First, for that we need to go for the money control website and I'll show you that how to select the stocks. First you need to go for the please everyone keep ready book. So first of all, we need to go for money control.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. Now my voice is fine, right? Yes. First, we need to go for this. One second, guys. Still people are joining. So that's the reason, I guess. We'll wait for 2 minutes and we'll start again from a static method. No, my voice is fine, guys. Please let me know.
Yes, sir, clear.
Thank you. We'll wait for 1 minute. Yes, 8:10 already. Please, everyone, mute yourselves. Yes. For the static method, first we need to go for the money control. Go for money control. My screen is visible, right? Yeah. Go for the money control, and there is a markets. Click on that. After that, go for all stats. After the all stats, just scroll down. Just go scroll down. Okay. There is an open interest analysis. You can see open interest analysis. From that, you need to select increase in open interest and increase in price. That means open interest is increasing, the buyers are entering, and the price also slowly, gradually increasing. That we call it as buying stocks. We choose from this, we call it as a buying stock. So just we click on this. There is lot of methods for the stock selection. This is one of the best. I prefer when I was in beginning stage. This one I prefer. If my voice is breaking, I'll be upload this same video in the YouTube also. You can watch from there. Just what I'm saying, I just complete the task what I want to say. Okay. Yeah, just go here, increase in open interest, increase in price, and select your all futures, and go for all expiries, then search. So here you can get some stocks. For example, for there, see BHEL, IndusInd Tower, Motherson, Sumi. For that, whatever it is, we don't want to see these things. And where the open interest has been increased. See, for example, you can last column percentage in change. 77% is been changed. 77% in BHEL. So where it is more than 100%, will get good accuracy for the stock selection. There is a Concord, CON, COR, just just select the Concord. Okay, write it down the stock in the Concord, and you need to say in the chart after when I ask, just write it down Concord and PA Industries. And Ambuja Cement and MCX, Indian Cement, Balkrishna Industries, Dixon Technologies, Mindtree. From this, we choose 2 stocks for buying. Okay, and please tell me the stock names so I can enter here. Please, in chart, I told to write it down in the book and pen. Please.
Concur.
Okay. Yes, we have been selected the Concord. Always choose in daily time frames. When the stock is selection, always choose in daily time frame. Okay. If you look at this stock, it has been breakout level. How I am saying that is, take horizontal line. This is previously it act as a what? Tell me guys, it act as a resistance. See, it has been
Resistance.
yes, just touch this level and it has been came back, and now it is again, it has been touched the same level. This is not the first time, this is the first time over, this is first time, this is second time, and this is third time. If it is crosses 679 or above, we can take a buy trade on the Concord, that too in lower time frame ABC pattern. That is in lower time frame we have to take ABC pattern. We go for 5 minutes. It has been just touched this level and it is holding the higher levels. When it breaks this level, we can take trade in this level, and whenever it breaks this level, we can take trade for the downside. Until unless it is breaks upper side, we'll take a buy trade. If it is breaks downside, we'll take a lower side. Stock selection. After that, you can see here there is a trend line. Yes, right. Maximum touch points 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a maximum touch points. If it is breaks here, we can take a sell trade. This is how we have to select the stocks. And one more, Ambuja. Yes. Until unless our levels will be achieved, we won't take any trade. So we have to go for higher time frame, daily time frame, that is. Yes. Ambuja Cement is in consolidation phase. Just draw. This is the consolidation phase. See, this is the consolidation phase. Until unless breaking these levels, we should not trade in this. We shouldn't. So we leave this stock. And next, this
MCX.
is okay. Yes. MCX, there is a trend line. There is a trend line. See, there is an 1, 2, 3. It has been broke. And if it is crosses this zone 1, 3, 5, 2, we go for the long. This is previously tagged as a resistance. Rejected. It came for third time. It is breaks and makes price action. we can take a trade over here. There is already the first confirmation trend line breakout, and there is a retrace, and it breaks. We can take a trade on MCX. If we go for lower assumptions, we can get an idea where to trade. So easily, if it is crosses 1352 on price action, so we can trade on MCX. And if it is crosses this zone, we can trade, and this is our target, and this is our SL. So this is how we need to select. And one more stock,
India Cement.
so always choose beta stocks. Just go for Google. What is beta stocks means? High volatile. There will be a big movement, not more than 10 rupees movement. So easily we can capture the price. If it is movement 1 rupee, 2 rupee, we won't get anything. So that's why. So always choose beta stocks. And India Cement, right? Yes. Been added. It's been like sideways itself mostly because it's low volatile stocks. See, this is the levels where it is respecting. Just retesting. If it is crosses this 175, and if it is crosses this is the zone. If it breaks upper side, we can take a trade. If it breaks lower side, we can take a trade. As per the option chain data, people are interested in buying. So if you ask me, and ADX is showing strengthening. Still strength is there for going upside. If it is change the direction, strengthening is weak. So it indicates the strength. It's only useful for the strength indication. What this move is moving here, it indicates strength. And the next stocks, did I said anything?
Dixon, yeah. Mindtree.
Okay. Yeah, this is a good stock. See, it has been already breakout zone. So there is a trend line. Break, and there is a W pattern. How I draw W pattern is, see, got it? This is the M pattern or W pattern we call. It has been breakout, retrace, we can take a trade. We can keep SL. This is our select. Next, Mindtree, right? Yeah, Mindtree is still negative. So until unless break this down, just we need to add this stock in watch list. If it is break downside, we can take trades. It's looking like a bearish triangle, bearish flag. So we can trade on negative side. It's already strength has been closed. If you see that the strength is been weakened, and if it is breaks this level, then only we can take trade on Mindtree. And next stock, please. And we'll go for selling. Is it fine? What?
Yeah.
Please. We'll go for
High
selling.
industries.
Okay, okay. If whatever we have been choose the stocks, it already either near to breakout level. Got it? If it breaks today day high itself, we can take it ready. That you the still it had a strength. ADX indicating still it had strength. So it crosses day high, we can take trade on price based on price action. In class 1, we have discussed the ABC pattern. Based on that, we can take a trade in this. And that's it, right? Likewise, we need to select stocks. Now market is in sideways, so there is less stocks we'll find in the buying under. So we'll go for next selling stocks. Yes. Now within whatever I told in English, just in glance I'll tell in Hindi. Okay. So stocks, Concor. Concor इस रेसिस्टेंस और सपोर्ट लिखना चाहिए फर्स्ट. लिखने के लिए वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में बोलेंगे. वी नीड टू स्टॉक का सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. वो ब्रेकआउट लेवल आने के बाद डे हाई लिखे गए ना, उसी ब्रेक करे तो हमको स्टॉक बाय कर सकता. उस डे लो हर डे हाई ब्रेक करे तो वी कैन मूव द स्टॉक्स. सेम in Ambuja, it is in a consolidation, so we can't take trade and the consolidation phase खुलने के साथ only trade करेगा. डे हाई ब्रेक करने के साथ हम बाय कर सकते हैं. एक ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट हुआ, ट्रेंड लाइन के बाद एक प्राइस एक्शन एबीसी पैटर्न बने के बाद उसमें हम ही ट्रेड कर सकता.
हेलो
इंडियन सीमेंट में ये भी कंसोलिडेशन फेज में है. वो आज का डे हाई ब्रेक करे तो हम इसमें डे हाई ब्रेक करे तो डे हाई ब्रेक पर ट्रेड कर सकता. एंड फॉर द negative, for the selling stocks, how we need to select is just go here, the people decrease in open interest and decrease in price, select and go for all futures. Just select the stocks. IEX, write it down. IEX, ICICI, Laurus Laboratories, these are the stocks. What we need to select like this. After that, we need to execute the same stocks. Whichever have more than 100%. It indicates that there is no selling stock because there is no open interest building. It's look like sideways market in the selling. So based on how we have predicted the buy, same we need to do in the sell side itself. This is how we select the stock for the static method for tomorrow, and we'll go for the dynamic method now. For dynamic method, there is a lot of ways. Some people will be stock selected and based on moving averages. few people will be selected based on VWAP. Okay, then we'll go for indicators here. We select VWAP. And always select 15 minutes. Whenever the first, this is the best method. I choose and I prefer this method itself for the stock selection. For this, randomly.
Sir, can you tell one more time, please?
Which one, sir?
Video is stuck in time, sir.
A stock selection in dynamic. Okay. Just for that, first we need to go for indicators and search here VWAP. Just add VWAP. It has been added over here, and randomly I choose stocks. When 15, it has to be in 15 minutes time frame. It is very important. 15 minutes is the very important thing. And if any stock 15 minutes time frame, first candle is very important. If it is big candle, first 15 minutes candle is very big. After that, market will become sideways. Will not trade in that kind of stocks. Choose Infi. Yes, Infi. See, first stock, it has been below VWAP, so we can execute the trade if candle has sustained below 15 minutes. So we have our entry has been executed here. Here our entry executed, and we can keep SL here. Here our entry execute and keep SL here at 1:2 target. If it is below VWAP, we can sell. Above VWAP, we can take a trade on ABC pattern. HDFC. This I'm not saying it's 100% success. It has 90% success formula. It has been closed here. Our entry not executed. After 15 minutes candle, we'll take an entry, but it's already gap down, so we won't take trade. If it is gap down or gap up, we'll close the position. Yes, it has been closed 15 minutes here. So this is our SL. So market will be 1:1 give. 1:1. There is no 1:2 in this. So this is our entry. This is our SL. So there will be no 1:1 entry.
Sir, is there any strong indication from the VWAP to enter?
Yes. I'll let you know. So whenever the candle 15 minutes candle is there, right? 15 minutes candle, it closes down. We had an indicator like ADX. It had a strength or not. Whatever the indication it's showing, it's negative, but we need to check out either strength it have. If it is, it's break down, okay, but it had a strength to go downwards. For example, here ADX indicator showing sell side, and here the candle has been closed below VWAP, and we can take entry here, and it had a strength, and up to here its strength has been shown, and it came sideways. That indicates that strength of the stocks will be closed. So we need to close the portion when the ADX indicator has stopped the showing indication of the same thing. So for that,
Okay.
you can understand. And Reliance Industries, wherever you can see same thing, it has, see where it has below indication, it shows it had a strength. It has been strength, and when it turn U-turns, then again it has been turned out. Okay, So whenever show the direction for the confirmation. See from here also see there is a strength. Whatever it either upside, either downside. It's not a matter. It has just a strength. Strong selling or buying indication will be shown in the same thing. Okay. And meeting will be closed in 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Again, join the same link. Okay. And next Adani Transport. Randomly, we can select the stocks for this. See, here it breaks. Strength showing in ADX. So we can buy here and 1:1 target. Always book 50% of profits in 1:1 and trail the SL into next zone. ATGL, whenever you can see, it will be working. Okay, guys, this is 2 methods.
So
Yeah, you can next
we
have
need to follow
ADX.
any indicator along with the VWAP.
Yeah. This indicator name is you can see ADX.
So these two, I mean, there is something called RSI also, right?
Yeah, you can use RSI also, but RSI we can see the divergence in that. Yeah. You can
because
choose
of that.
for here simple method. You can keep upper band as 60, lower band as 40. So if stock is more than 60, you can take a buy action. If it is less than 20, you can see the sell side. If it is more than 20C, so wherever ADX will work, same thing RSI also will do. So above 60, ADX will indicate and VWAP indicate 3 matching. So you can take a trade on 100% probability is more than 90% of probability is more. And VWAP showing downside and its downside, ADX downside. In single stock only you can find lot of entries and lot of exits. See, here ADX strength showing, it's breaking. Yes, you capture big move. So here 80 reaches, we exited here. We exit here itself. That is the thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Join the same meeting again. We'll stop here and join same meeting. It will be the dot session. Okay.
Okay.